Hi everyone, today we're in front of an SRX clamp carrier and we're here to show you how to adjust the pressure for the tightening. You have to change your hydraulic pressure depending on your thickness, depending on the wood you're using and the glue specification, and you can find on our website the calculator to find the proper hydraulic pressure you need at the tightening gun. First step, we start the machine. You can either do it while loosening the clamp or when tightening a piece of block in the clamp. So while loosening the clamp, you just hold down your pressure and then you watch your gauge. First step to make this knob adjustable is to loosen the top nut here. And then you can screw it to increase the pressure and loosen it to reduce the pressure. For setup, you just screw that back in place.